Hello everyone, welcome to TastyIrshad. Tomato and egg soup seems to be very simple. Today, I will share with you the most important details, so that you can easily make this recipe at home. It tastes better than the restaurant. The soup is sweet and delicious. Let's see how I made it. First, we prepare 2 fresh tomatoes. Fill a large bowl of warm water, and wash the tomatoes. When we wash the tomatoes, we must warm them up. Wash the tomatoes with water first. Scald the skin of the tomato slightly, and it can clean the tomatoes very cleanly. Many people use cold water when washing tomatoes. In fact, that is wrong. After cleaning, remove the tomatoes. Gently pluck it with your hand and it will come off. After the tomato leaves are removed, we will wash it again. After cleaning, control the water and take it out. Put it on the chopping board, and then use a knife to mark the tomato with a cross knife. We do not cut it when using the knife. If it is too deep, just cut the skin of the tomato and put it in a large bowl. After all the cuts are done, it is also convenient for us to peel it, and then roll it with a spoon to make the tomatoes heat more evenly. After about 2 minutes of blanching, take it out with a spoon and put it on the chopping board. At this time, we will take a look at the tomatoes. The skin falls off easily. This method is very fast. Another method is to put it on the gas stove and bake it. I personally think this method is better. After peeling off all the skins of the tomatoes, remove the skins of the tomatoes and cut them in half. Don't cut the hardness of the tomatoes with a hard knife. If you don't cut them, they will affect the taste. After all the tomatoes are processed, change the knife and cut them into thick slices. Don't cut the tomatoes too thin. Don't cut the small pieces too thick. Here, cut them a little thinner. After all are cut, pour them into a bowl for later use. Prepare a handful of shallots. Cut the shallots into chopped green onions. After all of them are cut, pour them into a bowl for later use. Prepare a handful of parsley and cut the roots. After dropping, cut it into small pieces. After all cut, pour it into a bowl for later use. Prepare a beautiful small bowl and put 2 eggs in it. Then use the chopsticks to stir it evenly. Stir the eggs in the same direction, so that the stirring will be more even. Stir after it is uniform, put it on a plate and set aside another small bowl. Add a spoonful of cornstarch. Then fill a large bowl with water. Stir it evenly with a spoon, and stir the cornstarch to dissolve. A small amount of cooking oil. After the oil is hot, we add a little tomato sauce. This step is also very important. Add a little tomato sauce to make the soup more delicious. Many people do not do this step. After the tomato sauce is evenly mixed, add the tomatoes. Quickly stir fry. Stir fry the juice of the tomatoes, and add some salt to suit the taste when frying the tomatoes. Turn on the steam and stir fry quickly and stir fry the juice of the tomatoes. Dear friends, you have seen the video here. If my video is helpful to you, please extend your lucky little hand and give me a like. Each of your likes and comments is the driving force for me to move forward. Thank you for your support. After the tomatoes are fried, add a large bowl of water. Then turn on a high heat and bring the soup to a boil. Stir while boiling, and mix the tomatoes into the soup. The tomato and egg soup made is very fresh. After boiling, add a little salt, a little chicken essence, a small amount of pepper, and leave other seasonings alone. Then use a spoon to stir it evenly. Let all the seasonings dissolve and mix well. After that, we need to thicken the water starch in 3 times. Don't add it all at once. If you add it at one time, the soup may become too solid. So we have to add it in 3 times, so that we can understand the coagulation and removal of the soup. Now the soup is not enough. We add a little more for the 3rd time. Check that our soup has become thick. At this time, it is almost done. Don't add it. If you add more, the soup will not taste good and it is too thick. Drink it up, the taste is not so good. The next most critical step is to pour the eggs into thin threads, so that our frangipani will be particularly beautiful and the eggs will be more delicate in the pot. The tomato egg soup made in this way is special. It's delicious. Many friends add eggs at one time when they make tomato and egg soup, so the eggs in the tomato and egg soup they make are not so delicate. The tomato and egg soup, the eggs are also very delicate, and the tomatoes are also very juicy. Cook it for 2 minutes. Next, prepare a large bowl. Add the chopped green onion and the coriander, add a little sesame oil, and then add the tomato and egg soup. Pour it in. Wow, it's really fragrant. A very delicious tomato and egg soup. That's it. The tomato and egg soup made from this is delicious. The soup is sweet and delicious. It looks very appetizing. In fact, the method is very simple. If you make it at home, the cost is less than $5. If you like it, you can save it and try it. Remember to like, follow and comment. Subscribe me to see more home-cooked food. See you in the next video.